This is directed towards all the single ladies out there. So let's talk about financing for single women. Since we are one of the biggest growing purchasers in the United States, about 35% of Gen Z women are now first-time home buyers, or maybe even second and third-time home buyers, but they are becoming a larger part of the market. And to go further than that, a lot of millennials as well. The reason for a lot of this is two different things. One, people are not getting married until a lot later, and women are becoming, you go to school or you don't go to school, you get your job, you get good in your job, and you purchase a home, and that's where you want to live. Prior to getting married and all of that, the stigma, whatever, things like that have changed. So, it's not that you have to get married and then buy a house. A lot of people do that ahead of time. Men used to, now women are becoming a bigger part of that. As they get older too, you have a lot of, unfortunately, divorces or things like that, where you now have to go out and find a house on your own. So I want to talk to you about financing for women. So everybody's qualifications are considered the same. We qualify you the same. If you're on commission, we need 2 years. If you're part-time, we need 2 years. That kind of thing. If you're W-2'd, we need pay stubs and different things. We do have bank statement loans and all of that, which can be used whether you're a single purchaser or whether you have 2 people on the loan. A lot of times, as we know, unfortunately, sometimes pay is a little lower for women sometimes. So there are a lot of assistance programs that if you are the only purchaser, then you're not using your income as well as someone else's income, which could cause you to go over that assistance limit. So you might qualify for more down payment assistance programs than you would if you were married or something to that effect. The other thing is there are sometimes other types of income we can use. Sometimes there's child support. So if you have children and you do get child support, we can use that as income for you as long as it's going to continue for 3 to 5 years longer. Same thing with alimony. There is still alimony out there. A lot of people get it. Generally, it's given for like 5 years or longer. As long as you're going to get it for the next 3 years, we can use it as income. We take a look at everything that you have, every possibility, and anytime a new program does come up, we can take a look and see if it is geared towards a single household, women primarily. And again, that is becoming a bigger amount of people that are moving into the purchasing and buying. So a piece of advice that I would like to give is when people are telling you wait till you get married or wait till you have a spouse or put somebody else on the loan with you, that's not necessarily needed. Feel strong in what you can do. If you've got the income and I can document it and I can qualify you, then by all means, go buy that house, because you're going to be paying rent anyway somewhere else, or you're going to have to live with family or whatever the case may be. So if you really want to get a house and you are a single lady and you're not quite sure where to start or what to do, call me. I can definitely walk you through all the pieces. We can look at all the assistance programs. We can look at every part of your income that is allowable to use as income. A lot of people, a lot of Gen Zs, and not so many millennials, but a lot of Gen Zs have 2 jobs. We can sometimes use both of those. So again, if somebody tells you to wait, get married first, all of that, don't feel pressured either way. Don't feel pressured to buy a house, or don't feel pressured to get married to buy the house. You can buy one on your own, and you're going to be paying rent somewhere anyway, so you might as well buy something that's going to be equivalent on the rent side, and then that way you're putting all that equity into the home that you really want to buy when you get married, if you choose to get married, or if you want to build up. Or it could be the first start to your portfolio of other properties that become a rental portfolio. So women are doing it every day. We're doing it by ourselves. We can do it by ourselves. So give me a call, Dawn Hall, Van Dyke Mortgage, 239-789-7561. Your lender for life.